IMPP stock. The price has been beaten down because of dilution for the most part, but the fundamentals are actually pretty good. So let's take a look at the technicals here, and let's start with this segment, this little chunk here that from when it split down. So it chops right here, and it finds its first selling point where there was some selling pressure, and it drove the price down after the first recovery from the initial dive. And so when it reaches back to this point right here, there's some natural selling pressure. That's why it's called the resistance line, because you would you expect some selling to happen there because there was before. And so what you find is on this one is that there was some selling, but it couldn't overcome the buying. So the buyers had more momentum. So the momentum was on the bull side. And so now there's still some selling pressure, but it's still trickling up. So the momentum is on the bull side, and eventually they're going to run out of the selling pressure that is there because they're losing the fight, and it's trickling up, and eventually it'll break out. And so now I expect it to break out and test this resistance line, which I got from the support line there, and then I just move it up. I did a video on that, how I do that. So I expect it to go up and test it, and then the second time that it tests it, I actually think that it's just going to stall and then break past it and go up to the ultimate resistance line up here, and then come back down to the bullish resistance line and end up using that as a support line from there.